application on the edges and recesses. The first point: heat the film with the heat gun to make it flexible. Then, using your fingertips, press the film along the contours. Continue using a squeegee applying light pressure. The second point: to ensure a smooth finish around the edges and facilitate post-heating, it is recommended to leave an extra 2 cm of film from all sides. The third point: for all calendered films, the optimum temperature required is between 95 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius. The fourth point: applying heat with a back and forth motion and using a squeegee lightly will ensure strong adhesion of the film around the edges. The fifth point: repeat this process on all edges and recesses. Make sure not to miss any small areas. The sixth point: the wrapped vehicle needs to stay in the garage for at least 24 hours to cure perfectly.